Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this episode we will analyze Sigachi IPO. So first we will understand its business, then we will go through its financial performance, and at the end I'll share my personal opinion on this particular IPO, whether to subscribe this IPO or avoid this IPO. So let's first start off with the business analysis. Sigachi is involved in manufacturing of microcrystalline cellulose, that is MCC, which is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry, food industry, and in cosmetic and personal care products. The cellulose is used as a dry binder and absorbent in pharmaceutical products. It is used as a stabilizer, anti-caking agent, and a fat substitute in processed food products. The microcrystalline cellulose, that is MCC, is obtained by refining wood pulp through the hydrolysis process at a particular temperature. The key ingredient, that is purified dissolving wood pulp bales, is imported from different countries like Canada, South Africa, Thailand and Indonesia. So we can say that the business is fully dependent on foreign wood pulp. So any difficulties in procuring the wood pulp will have a negative impact on the business. As of now, Sigachi manufactures 59 grades of MCC as per the standards required by different industries. The global market size of MCC is $1.4 billion, that is approximately 10,500 crores in Indian rupees. And in India, the market size is around 367 crores. So this is not a very big market here. So we can say that the company is into the products which has a small market size globally and domestically. Now coming to the revenues, in the financial year 21, 75% of the revenue came from pharmaceutical industry, 10% came from the food, 10% from the cosmetics and 5% from neurotics. Geographically speaking, 70% of the revenue comes from the foreign countries and 30% comes from the domestic market. Sigachi exports the manufactured MCC to 41 countries. The main countries here include Australia, USA, South America, UK and Poland. So as the revenues of the company are highly dependent on foreign countries, most of which are developed nations, so this is actually a good sign here. Now in this section, let's see how the company has financially performed in the last 3 years. So starting with the revenues, the company's revenues have grown at a CAGR rate of 22.4%. So this is a fantastic growth and a positive signal here. Company's net profits have grown at a CAGR rate of 26%. So again a positive signal here. Now coming to its operating margins, the operating margin of this company in the financial year 21 was 19.6%. So this is a very good margin and a positive signal here. The upper price band of each share in the IPO listing is at Rs 163. EPS is around 12 rupees. PE of this company is somewhere near 13.5, which is a reasonable one. The net worth of this company is 103 crores and the valuation at which the company is listing its IPO is 500 crores. So valuation wise, this is looking attractive and reasonable. But as an investor, we need to note that the microcrystalline cellulose as an industry is set to grow at a rate of 7% per year in the next 4 years. So although the company looks attractive valuation wise, but the industry which it is in is not a fast growing industry. So as an investor, we need to account this before investing. Now the other main thing to note here is, if we see the revenue growth, it has grown at a CAGR rate of 22.4%. But this same growth cannot be expected in next 2 years. This is because the company is running out of capacity as of now. Its Dahej unit is working at a capacity of 95%, Jagadia unit is working at a capacity of 84%, and the Hyderabad unit is working at a capacity of 86%. So all these numbers were recorded as on March 31st, 2021. Now if we see the revenues of Q1 2022, we notice that the revenues have again gone up, and this means that production has also increased. So this in a way tells us that the capacity is reaching its saturation point in the near term. So if the capacity reaches the saturation point, then we might not see a further increase in production of microcrystalline cellulose. So this means that despite having a higher demand in the market, the company won't be able to meet the demand for the next 2 years. The reason why I say 2 years here is, Sigachi with this IPO listing is trying to raise the money for the expansion of its capacity at Dahej and Jagadia units, and it will at least take 1.5 to 2 years to fully complete these projects. So till then, the production might not grow to a rate at which it had grown in last 3 years. So this is little bad news for investors. Now for people who are kind of a long-term investors, this IPO listing is a good opportunity to apply and accumulate the shares, because this is a good quality company, and once the capex is done, we may see a high jump in its revenues and net profits. And also, from past 3 years, company's exports have significantly increased. So this tells us that the company is going in the right direction. Now coming to the industrial growth concern, yes, the growth might not be much attractive when compared to other industries. But considering the valuation at which it is listing and its past performance, I feel that this is a good opportunity to subscribe this IPO. So right now I am holding a bullish view on this particular IPO, and I feel that it is a good opportunity to subscribe to this IPO. This is what my personal opinion is. Guys, please consult your financial advisors before taking any kind of decisions in the financial market. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this was an informative video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. And if you wish to watch such kind of content related to stocks and stock market, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.